Hello folks, where are we? You are here. So we go left up the road. I can't find it, so we're gonna go without it. We'll see what happens. Couple of things. I'm a little claustrophobic. I live in a van, but that's different. I feel weird on trains when it's busy. I don't like being tight against things. I don't know where the fuck I am. First of all, no one knows I'm here. So that's dangerous. But realistically, I just don't know where this goes, and I've never really been in a cave before or known how to navigate it. So, and light would be nice. I see the light on the other side though, on this one, so that's fine. Okay, we can explore this one. This one's easy. Whoa! Woo! Oh, that's snug, man. God damn. Okay. This is so fucking eerie. Oh my God, you guys, I'm by myself in this cave. I don't know what fucking cave goblins exist over here. Jesus. Watch your head. Oh, I can't get out through there. The way the map has it drawn out, it looks like there's like a whole bunch of layers in here, but there isn't. You can't really see shit. But, whoa. Whoa. Fuck. Whoa! These rocks are wet. It's all fucking wet. That's cool. Okay, I think I understand it a little bit better now. That was fun. I have some friends in Calgary that would really love to play in some of these caves, I think. Whoa! Looking at you, Chang. Whoa, look at this fucking thing. Holy. Whoa. Okay, so this is the main cave. What? This is insane. Wow. Okay, well, so I understand this map layout a little bit better. So let's enjoy it. Whoa! This is quite cool. I really wish I had a headlamp with me so I can go deep and see what it looks like, but maybe my phone can do some justice. Yeah, okay. This is pretty fucking crazy. I would be lying if I didn't say that I was fucking scared as hell right now. This is so fucking eerie. You can probably get out through there. That looks pretty cool. Look at this fucking cave, guys. Unreal. Wow. I'm like walking through here and it's fine. Like it's fine. Getting a little more comfortable. The fear is that I'm like gonna turn the corner and point the lights on something, and that something's gonna be having some eyes on it, and then that's gonna be really fucking sketchy. But let's see what's down this little unit. Ah. Whoa. So clearly, people, stop. I promise you that wasn't me. I promise you that was not me. Wow. It's a pretty common name, but wow. Look at this, man. Technically, you can go downstairs, you can go upstairs, or you can go to the rooftop patio. We're gonna go maybe in here. We're gonna go straight. Whoa, let me turn this around so you guys can see where I'm going. Oh, look at that. We exited over here. That's the way we started. This is the way out. Oh man. So that was pretty cool. I'm gonna go get my camera. I'm gonna see if I can maybe snap some photos in here, because this is really neat. Well, folks, there you have it. Upana Caves. Upana, 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 Upna, Upana. I don't know what they're called. I don't know how it's pronounced, but it's beautiful. Strongly recommend you come out here. Skip the Fino. Come here instead. It's a little bit cooler. It's a little bit more unique. It's a little bit more off the beaten path. It's also probably cheaper, to be honest. So there you go. Oh my goodness! Woo! Found a little spot here off the side of the highway, and it looks really nice. And I think you can get pretty low, but I am in my classic Birks and socks. Whoa! Jesus Christ.